Do you like baths? This is a story about a dog who does not like baths. Smelly Louie by Catherine Rayner. Louie had just had a bath. He smelt of roses and apple blossom, and he was not happy about it. Something was missing. His own special smell had gone, and he wanted it back. Louie trotted out into the garden, where he found a fox. The fox smelt a lot. "Where did you find your smell?" asked Louie. "Well, it's been building up for years," explained the fox. "But there is something over in the brambles that might be worth a sniff." Louie followed his nose and found an old boot. The boot smelt good, like mouldy cheese, but something was still missing. Some nearby snails suggested he search in the alleyway. Louie followed his nose and found stinky bins. Oh, they were overflowing with fishy leftovers and cabbage leaves mixed with rotten eggs. Delicious! But it was still not his own special smell. Some friendly flies were lingering, and they knew of something wonderfully whiffy just down the road. Sticky sludge! Louie wriggled and rolled. His smell was getting better, but it still needed something else. Then he remembered. The Pongy Pond! Louie wallowed and splashed. His special smell was back, and it was amazing! Louie had a very good day. Everything had worked out beautifully. He trotted happily back home with his special smell wafting all around him. The fox was very impressed. Louie sauntered into the house and up the stairs, and that was when he heard the noise. And smelt a particularly smelly smell. Not his carefully collected, skillfully selected special smell. It smelt a bit like... Surely it couldn't be. "Louie, come here!" Roses and apple blossom! Oh no! Oh, Louie, do you think he'll stay smelling nice for long this time? In the details for this video, I've attached a link to a recipe that makes bath bombs. Perhaps you could make one so that you smell really lovely in your next bath.